Imagine a world where you earn money while you sleep or play. Sounds incredible, right? Welcome to the exciting realm of Telegram bots, your new digital buddies for earning cash. These friendly helpers on your phone can help you save, earn, and share money effortlessly. Curious about referrals? It's simple. Invite friends to join a bot using your special link. The more friends you invite, the more money you make. It's a win-win situation for everyone. Start by choosing a trustworthy bot with clear earnings. Ask knowledgeable friends or grown-ups for help. Understanding the bot's workings is vital. Ask a parent for guidance on earning and tracking your money. Share your referral link in creative ways, like drawing posters or making fun videos to engage friends. Expand your network by encouraging friends to invite more people. The fun multiplies as your group grows. Finally, have fun, stay safe, and explore new ways to earn together. Enjoy the adventure of shared earnings.